One time, I threw a piece of orange in Gaza.
Oh my God, guess what?
What?
God was asleep, right? He was asleep with his mouth open.
Yeah.
And you're at the program thing. And my grandpa was about to drive me there. And I was like, oh, I forgot. So we went to go get sandwiches. And then he ripped off a piece of bread and got was sleeping. He put it in Gaga's mouth. And then Gaga choked on the bread.
Like I told you about how Gaga choked on that gum. Yes, that was so funny. So he fell asleep with gum in his mouth, and I was scared he was gonna die. Oh my God! Like I was scared he was gonna die because I thought he was gonna choke in his sleep, but he woke up first. And so he started joking, and I didn't want him to see me laugh, so I just ran to the bathroom and I started laughing. And then I kept peeking out the door to make sure like he was still alive. I kept laughing because I couldn't keep a straight face. What if Gaga slept, honey? Oh my God, let me tell you something. What if Honey said something, she was talking to Gaga, and then Gaga said, nobody asked you, woman, and then Honey shut up. Oh my God. I remember that part, when she was like, he'd be like, shut up, and I'd be quiet, but then when he leaves, I start talking again.
I got mind control over people. He said, shut the fuck up. I'll be quiet. Then he leaves.
I start talking again. Oh my God, it was funny. Because Honey had that like look on her face, and she was like half smiling, but it was like nervous. Woo! Imagine if Gaga spanked you. That heavy hand.